Can a character from our epics teach you one of today's hottest tech skills? Data science? Let's decode this the epic way. Data science means solving problems using data. Just like Hanuman analyzed Lanka's army, defenses, and layout to guide Lord Rama's next move. That's data-driven intelligence in action. In simple terms, data science is a process. First, you collect information, then clean it, analyze it, and finally predict outcomes. Exactly what Hanuman did with precision. Think like a detective solving a mystery. Krishna used real-time updates from Sanjaya to strategize and support the Pandavas. That's smart data use. That's data science. Today's data scientists work with dashboards and code, but the essence is the same. Gather info, find patterns, make smart decisions. From epic heroes to modern analysts, Hanuman's journey wasn't just about speed. It was a live data pipeline, collecting, analyzing, and delivering insights to act upon. In a way, he was the first data scientist. Imagine learning AI and data science through the stories of Mahabharata and Ramayana. Fascinating, right? Now we agree Hanuman was the first data scientist. From epics to AI, a legacy of learning begins. Let ancient wisdom guide tomorrow's intelligence. Follow DigiDARA channel to learn AI in storytelling way.